short on cash, Americans tap 401k savings for emergencies. So we just touched on this one on our videos, but I just wanted to make a quick segment on this because this is a record 3% of 5 million people, 3% of the 5 million people in 401k plans run by Vanguard tapped their retirement savings in 2022 to cope with hardships such as medical bills, foreclosure, stuff like that. We haven't seen foreclosure stuff in a while, so that's very interesting. But again, I'm very fascinated because I thought we had the best jobs report ever just come out, yet we're here with articles from the Wall Street Journal about people tapping their 401k. If you had a bunch of jobs and all kinds of great job growth and productivity gains are up and all that, why are people tapping their 401ks? Why are people tapping their retirements? Why are pensions over here? We stick a video on Blackstone halting withdrawals in California. I'll tell you why people are having to tap 401ks and other things. It's because their pension plans are going bust. They don't know how to, their University of Cal is putting $4.5 billion more dollars or shares or whatever. So I don't even know how much that is. Could be more. Buying billions more dollars of these REITs that they can't get their money out of these. Blackstone halting withdrawals again. So they halted them in November. December, University of Cal says, we'll put up another billion or a couple billion. And the next month, January, they're halting withdrawals again. So they just took Cal's money and like, thanks, we're gonna pay off all these other guys now, appreciate it. Now they're screwed. I mean, this is why. And now Americans are like, what do I do? This is why they're tapping their 401ks, because there's too much month at the end of their money and rent's going up, inflation's up. This is absolute clown world. This is what happens when you have an inflationary money, a fiat currency that you just print into oblivion. This is what happens. We're at the beginning stage of this. Mind you, this hasn't even gotten that bad. Look at Venezuela or Argentina or Sri Lanka or Zimbabwe or the Weimar Republic 100 years ago. Guys, we haven't even started yet. I mean, going forward, this is the inflation that's going to come going forward is going to be just blow your socks off. And because they have to, it's financial repression. Ben Bernanke talked about it 20 years ago, and then 10 years ago, the IMF said financial repression is the way out. So they're going to increase the inflation to bring down the debt to GDP. That's the plan. That's the playbook. So get ready for that. So how do you do that? The more they print, the more Bitcoin's going to go up, right? The more gold and silver go up a little bit too. Real estate will probably hedge a little bit. Stocks might hedge a little bit. Those might stay flat. But over the last 10, 12 years, Bitcoin has taken off and outrun everything by a mile. And then all the other assets have just gone sideways. So people think their house has gone up in value, but if you divide it by all the global central bank money printing, currency printing, it just goes flat. If you're in real estate, if you're in stocks, all that, you just kept with inflation. You've kept with the global currency printing. Bitcoin's the only thing, because it's the only finite asset we have besides our time, the perfect trade, finite time for a finite asset. Nothing else is finite. This is not financial advice, this is freedom advice. I want more than anything for us to get out of this command and control economy, this collectivist mentality we have that's destroying the world. People thinking this is capitalism, this is all. No, it's not. This is complete socialism. We are on the way to communism, almost there. We have almost every tenet of the Communist Manifesto. And it's this kind of stuff that no one has any idea what's going on, right? John Maynard Keynes, one man in a million will be able to detect inflation. And then Henry Ford, we talked about these quotes too, that it's well enough that people don't understand the monetary system, because if they did, there surely would be riots in the morning. So we live in clown world. We have to understand where we are. Bitcoin, gold, silver, money, food, water, energy, community, security, firearms, ammo. We have to get prepared, because this is absolute clown world. I don't even know what else to say. This is, if you're paying it, if you're not reading between the lines, like I say, don't trust, verify. We have to trust but verify. We have to question everything with boldness, right? Everything with boldness, and actually ask what's going on. Ask why. Ask what is happening. If you just take the mainstream, you just take bulletin board material, you're not going to figure out what's going on. You're going to have a very difficult time going forward. I promise you that. I've seen it with my own eyes. I studied it for almost 2 decades, and I've seen it with my own eyes. Please, let's get prepared. Appreciate your time and energy. Again, it's the most important asset we have. Please like and subscribe to this video. Please share it. Please share it with people that are in pensions, 401ks, and what's happening. We are in for some really wild times going forward, but it doesn't have to be. With great chaos comes great opportunity. It's great opportunity for us. Get prepared. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.